What is going on, my party people? It's Emoneyshoes back up in this thing with another review. Rain, sleet, or snow, the show must go on. You see the sun is out now, but earlier it was stormy. And let me tell you, people was out here grinding. Shout out to my people in Waikiki Foot Locker for holding me down. Till your boy can get off. Shout out to Money Run Clothing. As you can see, you know, red is my favorite color. Very, very dope. Y'all already know we in the month of February. And if you ain't got your stuff situated, put in for your raffle, it's going to be rough. It's getting real in the field. Everybody complaining about resale. It's only going to get worse. So you got to start doing your grinding. That's my PSA to everybody. Not looking scruffy, all that stuff. Now we getting back to the regular schedule regular schedule program. Shout out to all the Money Squad checking me out. New subscribers, continued subscribers. I want to say that family members. Welcome back into the channel. All right, go check out the fans. 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ. Go subscribe. They're on the road to 5K. While I'm on trying to get to 7,500. We about, let me see, about 1,200 away now. A little under 1,200. Gonna do a giveaway. So tell a family member, a friend, a baby, mama, and anybody that can hit the subscribe button. Let's go. You know what I'm talking about? And also, go check out the featured channels. It's up there. You see, all you gotta do is click on that community. You see all of those dope channels up there. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Now, let's get into this review because there's a lot of shoes coming out and I don't want to hold you guys. The sun is very, very bright, but you see it right there. PP personal pair. I know I'm gonna hear it because it is a Jordan 1 mid. Y'all know I'm not a big person on Jordan 1s, but hey, I'm allowed to be a hype beast. I'm allowed to change my mind every now and then. Air Jordan 1 mid SE special edition, turf orange, black, white, 10.5. Suggested retail price 125 of them things, right? 125 of them things. You got your QR code or RF code, RFD, whatever you call it, your 4D scanner. You got your boring Jumpman Jordan box, black with gold. You see that? And inside, of course, you got your stamper ramp. Foot Locker Waikiki had a restock on these and they were sold out. Jordan brand, they dropping a lot of shoes under the radar. And for those of you who are members of Nike membership, keep your eye lookout on restocks on Friday, all right? Keep your eye looking out for that, all right? Just a little tidbit. Then you see you got your 23 paper, and I know y'all don't like patent leather, but man, all right. You got that like so, and you always got to do the sniff test. It smells like marijuana. Not just kidding. I'm just kidding. But you know how they got that? This one got a distinct smell. I guess because of the patent leather. So hey, it is what it is. I'm building up the flex points because maybe Foot Locker, that'd be nice to be, you know, build up the flex. They let you win something every now and then, even though we don't have drawings over here, but it's always good for those coupons. I love those coupons, let me tell you. But you can see turf orange things, hate it or love it. I don't know, you got these and the blue things. Orange kind of remind me of my high school. It's kind of got this starfish shit to it with the turf on it, as you can see, like that. So let's get into this, shall we? All black, like your typical Jordan 1 with your trademark art underneath. Coming up on the toe, you got your patent leather. Pretty good leather on the toe bar. Look at that, pushy, right? Then you got your orange tongue with your air on it. And it's cheesy, but it's okay. It's got a nylon tongue. Then we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go with, y'all know I don't like really doing the right shoe. I always do the left shoe. So then we coming around here, of course, you can see, you got it just above there. And you got a leather swoosh. And you got some orange hits in there as well. Then you got your traditional Air Jordan embossed in there. Coming around the collar is white. And you got black around the sock liner. So you don't have to really worry about that dirt from your socks, or the sock button is getting inside here, right? Coming inside, of course, 10.5. You see you got your orange Jumpman, dead stock laces, and of course you have your shoe tree, right? You got your shoe tree like so. She be like, nice, right? The only thing I'm about to say, you ain't gotta really worry about the creasing on this. I don't look pretty good. Shoe tree, right? 10.5. Coming around on the medial side, pretty much the same thing. Inconsistency, nah, that's about right. That's about right. Okay, you see that one is like right above the swoosh. This one right above the swoosh. It's pretty impressive, actually. It's a pretty well made shoe. Don't see any glue stains or anything. We got that right there, but you can clean that off, of course. And other than that, turf orange under the radar, which is very interesting. Black laces, maybe you can stunt with these with white laces and stuff like that, of course, here, there, and everywhere. But I haven't seen no videos on these, but these are moving like hotcakes. Not exactly why, but interesting. Mids are in right now. If y'all didn't know, mids are in. They got a restock on those with the band ones, the mids. Then you just got the Royal. Haven't checked my Royal video out. I put it up there somewhere, so you can click on the link, go check it out. Check it out. So you guys let me know what you think about these shoes. I mean, pretty decent pair of kicks. Like I said, I don't see any glue stains. Normally, for the most part, on ones, they do a pretty good job. I see some a little bit here, but that's just being really, really nitpicky. So, what we all know common law, let's get to the litty lit meter, shall we? Litty lit meter. And spin it around, get a good look on these joints. Hey, it is what it is. I give it about a 4.6 out of 5. That's right, 4.6 out of 5. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. I mean, these are cool. I mean, this is something you probably want to get in a collection. These are pretty. They are hard to get, though. I think the only place I've seen them sit maybe Shoe Palace. I don't know why they sit there. Maybe because they don't get discount, but most places they give, you can get discount. These joints are gone, right? So, hey, grab the shoes if you can. Contemplate later. You can always get rid of them later if you need be. So 4.6 out of 5. Leave a comment, suggestion below. You like it, and I try to get back to you. Some I just realized I haven't got back to people in a year or two. My apologies. I apologize. All right. So thanks for all the love and support. Hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we out. Peace.